So shout out to Ben Geskin here for posting this. This is a printed passport style foldable phones to see how comfortable this form factor is in real life. Now, this form factor is, and I always say this is kind of like the Surface Duo concept, but at 180-degree Surface Duo, not 360 degrees. But I think it's perfect. I really do. It kind of does remind me a little bit of the Pixel Fold 1 when it comes to like how big and, width-wise the screen is. But it's the perfect display. I mean, it has two beautiful displays left and right. Obviously not as much in this picture, it's just a printed picture. But still, I love this concept for foldable cell phones. I know we're never going to get it again, most likely, but Motorola did, tease a little bit. So he has this video of the actual thing. You can see you have the first screen right there. You open it up. You have two screens on the inside. Again, 180 degrees. Does not go 360 like the Surface Duo series did, but it still works out for the most part, Get you a beautiful 10-inch display inside. This one obviously not as much, but if you make it a little bit bigger outside and inside screen, could work out. Versus an iPhone. And this is a 17 Pro Max iPhone. Okay, not bad. Then we have what would be obviously photoshopped, but images on this inside display versus the bottom one. Now the top one here would have creases on it, right? It would be a plastic display, plastic with a thin a layer of glass underneath of it. So that would cause, some distortion in the picture. Wouldn't be as perfect as you see here, but again, this is why we love foldable cell phones, because you get that gigantic, beautiful display where it actually looks so much better watching a movie, playing a game, whatever. It's just a better experience. We got it versus the Pixel. Actually, not the Pixel. It is amazing how much the Google Pixel Fold series looks so much like Oppo's. Oppo Find N2. It is enormously crazy. But anyway, versus the Oppo phone. Apparently it's Oppo. It's not Oppo. It's Oppo. Versus the Oppo phone here. And again, very similar, just a little bit thicker when it comes to the width of the actual outside display, which obviously helps out for the inside display. Versus the Oppo Find N5. Oppo Find N5, excuse me. And yeah. It's more horizontal than vertical, as these foldable cell phones seem to be. But you do have the concept right here in the middle. On the top here, you have the Oppo Find N5 Z Fold 7 8-inch display. And then obviously iPhone 17 Pro Max at the bottom. So, really cool concept. Definitely something that I would love to see in the future, but we'll have to wait and see. Tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. See you guys next one. Peace out.